In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV using the DVR feature. This is perfect if you want to record games and watch them later at your convenience. Let's dive in. To use the DVR feature for live football on YouTube TV, start by ensuring you have an active subscription. Once you're logged in, open the YouTube TV app or website and find the game you want to record. You can browse the schedule or search for the channel broadcasting the game, such as ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC. When you locate the game, click the Record button, a circle icon, next to the program. YouTube TV will automatically save the game to your cloud DVR library, where it will be stored for up to 9 months. If you miss the live broadcast, simply go to your DVR library, select the recorded game, and watch it whenever you like. You can even skip commercials while playing back the recording. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV using the DVR feature, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.